Hi again. This lesson we will learn to organize data in a table by applying breaks and sections. The most important purpose of structuring data in breaks and sections is to make the report generally easier to read and interpret. For example, when you select year, quarter and sales revenue, the table shows that the values of the year and quarter repeated on several rows. When you apply a break, Web Intelligence separates all the data for each unique value of the selected variable. It inserts a blank row or column after each value, which allows you to easily insert subtotals for the group of data. When you apply breaks for a year dimension from the Analyze menu, I will select the break and apply for the year dimension. As you've seen, that data becomes much clearer and simpler to read. And each year shows sales revenue for all quarters with a unique year. In the extra rows that appears in the table after each group, you can easily insert subtotals for revenue over the year. Web Intelligence provides standard calculation functions to help you make quick calculations on the data in your reports. From Analysis menu, you can reach some predefined functions. As you've seen, that you can calculate sums, average, percentage values of a column with using these predefined filters. And by now, we will get the subtotals of the sales revenue. And resize the column. But the problem is the report appearance needs some adjustments. For example, there is a header for every year value in a break, and we can easily format the break's appearance by selecting Manage Breaks. For duplicate values, I will select the merge and remove the break header. And customize the format table and select the show table header. As you've seen, that rather than repeated header for each break value, report has its own unique header. Let's make some customizations to gain a better appearance. You can format the subtotals color, and you can also remove this blank cell and make bold to year value. Yes, it seems that better. The additional options to group the data in report logically and helps the report consumers to read the data easily section. A section displays the group charts and graphics. From the report element and the sections tab, you can select the insert section and select one of these dimensions. I will select state. For example, when I set the state dimension as sections, it means that the tables and charts in the same section belong to the same group. When I create a new chart, for example, month by sales revenue, and turn it a pie chart and resize it. As you've seen, that when I create a new chart in only one California section, it is repeated in other sections. repeated for all of the state values. The main difference between section and the break is grouped within a report, but the section is grouping the entire report. And you can also create one more section. For example, I will select a new dimension, for example, category. You can separate the sections by these lines. You can also create this summary values on the section level. For example, when I drag the sales revenue on both category and the state level, as you see that the sales revenue in the pocket charts level, and it shows that the sales revenue for pocket charts and this sales revenue shows the total sales revenue for California. Now enhance your report by using breaks and sections. Thank you.